Alright guys, today I'll be talking on one particular coin that I really like and I aiming to buy and hold for throughout 2018. So it is, as you may know guys, it's Ethereum. Now why Ethereum is so special? Ethereum is a blockchain technology, a decentralized one and an open source, and if you really want to understand Ethereum, the key word here is smart contracts. Enables developers to build their applications on top of Ethereum platform. Ether is their token currency and Ethereum is the project behind the token currency. So it was co-founded by Vitalik Buterin, sorry, I can't remember his surname, in early 2014. This is the application for building other cryptocurrencies on top of Ethereum platform. Currently, the Ethereum competitors are the major ones are EOS. This is a Neo, so this is a Chinese, China's based smart contract platform. So EOS and Neo are the main one. And also Cardano, EOS, and Neo are the main competitors to Ethereum, but I don't think they have a chance to even catch up with Ethereum if they aim to improve their platform in the next upcoming years. With the, I mean, just look at the market capitalization of Ethereum. It's almost $100 billion. How fast can you grow to surpass $100 billion? Cardano is $15 billion. EOS is $8 billion. Neo is also 8. So imagine the growth rate, the annual or quarterly growth rate that you should beat Ethereum. You can only beat it if it's the technology is way more superior, which EOS promises to be, but Ethereum is also making changes. It's also making improvements on top of their platform, so the project is worth $100 billion. So it's very unlikely that Ethereum will be beat in the short term, but who knows, we will see. Probably in the long term it may be beat by EOS, Neo, or Cardano. So I got into EOS around $500. If we just take a look at tradingview.com. So Ethereum, why is it so slow today? So yeah, we're currently in a pause, in a trend line, not in a trend line, in a trading range. I got into Ethereum when it was about $500. I bought it and I'm aiming to keep it throughout the whole 2018. So this is a solid project. Ethereum is actually the leader in this whole cryptocurrency section. You can say it's Bitcoin, but you would all be right. You would be only right in terms of market capitalization, which Ethereum is quickly catching up to. Bitcoin is $180 billion. So, but anyways, Bitcoin has a different use case. It's a storage of value. Ethereum is a smart contract decentralized platform that aims to enhance developers to build their applications on top of Ethereum. So yeah, Ethereum is my pick. It's probably number 2 pick. My number 1 pick is EOS. If you don't know EOS, just check it out in my video section. And yeah guys, Ethereum, stay tuned. Oh yeah, and one more thing, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're interested in buying and trading cryptocurrency or gaining a more deeper knowledge, so join the course in the description below. See you.